Classroom Energizer 17. Throw and catch. If you have something to throw and catch, preferably something soft, ask the students to write some words on the board. Then, if they have the ball or the toilet paper, they have to say a word and then throw it to a partner who has to make a sentence using that word. It's really good to check up on some vocabulary, or if you want to practice some new words. To make it easier for the students, write it on the board first, give them some examples to practice with, and then play the game. This game is super useful in the classroom if you want to practice any vocabulary or you want students to answer something. Students love throwing, they love catching, and if you can utilize points in some way, better for you. It's good if you've got teams and if they drop the ball, they lose some points, or if they catch it and they give a good sentence, they get +1 or +2. Classroom Energizer 18. Writing in the air. Ask students to write their names in the air, using their right hand, using their left hand. Then you can put students into groups. Each group has to have a list of 10 words that you give them and one person standing in front at the board. The students then have to write it in the air and the student has to copy it onto the board. The first team to finish wins. Another variation is for students to use their bodies to make the letters. For example, if they have to make the word coconut, they can try and mime coconut. This is a fun game that gets the students engaged. Classroom Energizer 19. Sevens. This is an easy game. Students have to count up as far as they can without using 7 or multiples of 7. So instead of saying the word 7, they have to use another word or perhaps a noun. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, tree, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, mouse, 15, 16, chair, where are we? 18, 19, 20, light, and so on. The first one to make a mistake loses a point and you have to restart. This is an easy game that you can use in your class and the students really get into it because you can go faster, you can make up words, it's very interesting. Use these classroom energizers and activities with your class to improve the students' engagement and to have a fun lesson. If you would like to see more tips and activities for teachers, please like and subscribe. I'm Eric from Educute and I'll see you next time.